Deep cleaning on Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2070. Thank you, Sir Earl, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2070 graphics card was subjected to a complete deep cleaning service to restore its cooling efficiency, improve stability, and extend its overall lifespan. Graphics cards are high-performance components that generate significant heat during intensive workloads, such as gaming, video editing, and rendering. Over time, dust and debris naturally accumulate inside the cooling system, especially on the fans, heatsink fins, and ventilation areas. If left unchecked, this buildup restricts airflow, causes the GPU to run at higher temperatures, and forces the fans to work harder, often leading to thermal throttling, noisy operation, and in severe cases, potential hardware damage. To address these concerns, the RTX 2070 was carefully disassembled for a thorough internal cleaning. The dual cooling fans and shroud were removed to access the heat sink and PCB. All dust and debris were carefully removed using anti-static tools, compressed air, and soft brushes to avoid damaging sensitive circuitry. The fans were also cleaned and lubricated if necessary to restore smooth and quiet operation. Additionally, the old thermal paste on the GPU chip was cleaned off and replaced with a fresh, high-quality thermal compound to maximize heat transfer between the chip and the heatsink. This step is critical to ensuring that the card maintains stable operating temperatures under heavy load. After the deep cleaning process, the graphics card was reassembled and tested to verify improved cooling performance and stability. The results showed noticeably lower operating temperatures, quieter fan operation, and consistent performance during gaming sessions and GPU-intensive tasks. By lowering thermal strain, the card is now less prone to overheating, which not only improves immediate performance, but also extends the lifespan of its components. In conclusion, the deep cleaning of the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2070 successfully revitalized the graphics card, restoring it to peak operating condition. The service ensured efficient heat dissipation, quieter operation, and reduced risk of thermal-related issues. Regular maintenance like this is highly recommended for high-performance GPUs as it prevents overheating, protects the investment, and guarantees smooth and reliable performance for gaming, creative workloads, and professional use. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.